Hello there! So we're back again in Democracy 4 today, and yesterday we seen what doing nothing happened, what doing nothing meant in all of the countries, and we lost in the US, we lost in the UK, lost in Japan, lost in France, lost in Canada, lost in Australia, lost in Spain, lost in Germany, lost in Italy, but South Korea seems like people were happy with us doing nothing because guess what? We won an election and we want to see if that was a fluke or whether doing nothing really does work in South Korea. So let's play. We'll be the eco-union. We'll leave everything the same and we'll see if it was just a one-off yesterday. Everything's pretty good in South Korea apart from unemployment's a bit high. But let's go with the whole doing nothing again and see if it actually works and maybe then see how many terms we can win if we keep on doing nothing. So we'll endorse transgender soldiers. The one thing that we are doing is we're answering dilemmas, but that is it. Not changing policy at all. We'll ratify the protocol for climate change. We're in deficit. We've got 74% of the vote. Coastal oil spill. Boo. Gridlock's imminent. Right. Poor families in university, they want university grants. Global economy is doing well, 68%, so our popularity is going down a bit. Delivery drones, we're going to allow them, reduce that congestion. 63% would vote for us in the next election. No, we're going to keep the current system, we're not going to increase inspections. Gridlock has developed, look at it, it's all over the place. We've got more people signing up to us, look at that. Members and activist boosts are on. Surely twice can't work. Tinderbox. Boo. Gridlock's now ended? Yes. Welfare system, they're not happy. He wants a welfare fraud department. Thinks we're suffering from fraud. We only get 57% of the vote now, so our popularity is declining. Yeah, let's have a human rights activist on our banknotes. 55% of the vote now, so our popularity is dipping. By doing nothing. Child labour law, let's criminalise it. Take that hit on GDP. Popularity is still going up. Disease eradicated. Woohoo, everybody likes that. 50% of the vote in the election, so we're on the kind of knife edge now. Stricter driving tests, we're going to make no changes. Tax evasion is going to happen soon, maybe. 59%, our popularity is going up now, probably. Maybe due to our response to dilemmas. No, we're not going to engage in surgical strikes. Gig economy has now taken off. Still adding more activists. 55% of the vote in the next election. It's pretty good. Demand from donor. No, because we're not changing policy. What do you want us to do? Govern the country? Corporate medical marketing. Introduce regulations. Tax evasion's imminent. Maybe. 44% of the vote. We're dipping now. Maybe it was just a fluke yesterday. Positive discrimination. Let's pass the law. Let's get some more equality. 39% of the vote now. Oh, this doesn't look like it's going as well this time. Bay Sungo is thinking about leaving. Oh, somebody has left. Tax, right. Doesn't matter who we have because we're not bothered about political capital. Gig economy's at an end. Oh, sports star gagged by a foreign power. Provincial Defence Brigade are after us. Oh dear. Maybe it just was a fluke yesterday. We shall see. Speed limits, let's raise them. But global economy is doing okay. 61% of the vote. Popularity is peaking just in time for the election. Fishing quotas, let's agree to them. Farmers aren't happy. We've trashed our GDP with that. Okay, minister's not happy. Satirical film, I'm the butt of the joke for doing nothing. Politicians get it even if they're doing nothing. Ministerial resignation, not again. Foreign policy, well, she said she was going to go. We'll have you step in. Manifesto promises, we're not promising anything. We promise to do nothing. And that's what we shall do. Right, can it happen again? Will we win the election? Oh, this is looking good. It wasn't a fluke. Only got 62% majority this time. We had 72% yesterday, I'm sure. But should we see how many terms we can go for? We're not going to reshuffle. Going to do nothing. GDP's up. Unemployment's up a bit. So unemployment's like the last major scourge we've got. Everything else is going pretty well, to be fair. Covert strike, pass the information along. Tinderbox, not again. Farmers plot. Oh no, the farmers aren't liking us. Budget deficits there. It's not a major cause for concern. 56% of the vote in the next election. Surely we can't survive 2 terms doing nothing. Let's have a human rights supporter. New major party donor. Fantastic. 77% of the vote. And it's his most popular we've been. By doing nothing. Ministerial resignation. They're not happy with us doing nothing. 75% now. Could we win a historic second term by doing absolutely nothing? No, I'm not going to ban women from driving. Deadly water contamination, that's not good. We're thinning out on our boosting numbers now, but still getting more members of the party and more activists, which is good. End of life recycling law, yes. Save the environment. Poor voter perceptions, that'll reduce the resignations. 59% if we had an election. Toxic waste dump, prevent the construction, save the environment. Global economy's in recession, but our GDP's going up, which is good. Polls report us at 47%. Surely we can't win the second term doing nothing. Another satirical film. Fantastic. Try and get as many of them as possible. No, we're going to allow facial recognition, reduce crime. Only 38% of the vote, I think. Gone from the most popular we've been to the least popular. In a couple of quarters. We'll allow GM crops. New major donor, fantastic. Only 38% of the vote. So 1 term of doing nothing we can repeat, but 2 terms is looking bad. Multinational company headquarters, they're happy with us doing nothing. Minor budget deficit, which is going down. Fantastic. DNA database, we're going to allow it. Reduce crime. Pollution, we got serious pollution problems. Term limit approaching. Oh. Oh, well that could be a problem. Can only have 2 terms. I want to do 3 terms. No, we can't. Boo. We didn't think about that. Ban non-LED light bulbs. We need some more political capital. We need like 34. Oh dear. He's not happy. Ministerial resignation. Yeah. Farmers plot. Storm destroys railways. Boo. We'd only get 35% of the vote anyway. We need some emergency powers. Can a crisis happen? Hunger strike. We're going to allow visits. We're going to be compassionate. Rare earth crisis if we don't do something. 41%. Our popularity is going up, but... Oh, executive term limit. Which one's that? No, that's that. Which picture is it? I'm sure it's around here. Wait. Oh, this is education. This is... No, I'm sure it ends up down here. Oh, which one is it? Ah, that one. Well, we can't cancel it. Oh, dearie me. We need 34 political capital to change that. This could really end our government of nothingness. We've got a surplus, which is good now. Demand from donor? No, we don't do demands. Sticking up for the environment. Alcohol abuse if we don't do something. 68% of the vote at the election. Ban single-use plastics. Tax evasion. Small surplus. 2.28 trillion somethings. Forgot what the currency is called. Yen? No? Yeah? Maybe? I don't know. Right, tax again. IAU. New major donor? Yes. We're having an economic boom. Oh, well. Regional war, not good. Alcohol abuse, boo. Water shortage, boo. We still can't change... Oh no, where's it gone? Still can't change the executive term length. We still need 34. Political capital. No, we're not going to do any election hearings. It looks like this is our last term anyway, right. Would we have won a second term? Easily. Oh, maybe not so easily. 57% majority. But we have to retire in glory because you can only have 2 terms in South Korea. Who knew? Who knew? Right, well, what happened in our 2 terms of nothing? Undefeated. Getting a reasonable share from everybody. Changes. International threat up 50%. Currency strength up 40%. Air travel up 34%. International trade down. GDP up a quarter. Immigration up a quarter. Environment suffering though. Food prices down a quarter. Tourism down a fifth. Business confidence down a fifth because we're doing nothing. Productivity up nearly a fifth though. And high earnings are up. Right. Health down. So, not all successful, but hey, we would have stayed in power if it wasn't for the blasted term limit, which, because we were doing nothing, it was very hard to get political capital swaying in our favour to change it. But hey, there we are. We've won a second term, but we've got to retire in glory now. Play another term. The election is won, but you've not taken the trouble to change law and executive term limits. So sadly, this is the end of your career, personally. Someone else will have to run the party in the next term. If you really want, you can keep playing anyway in their place. Try to find time to extend the term limit this time. I had time, but not enough political capital, so we're going to retire in glory. And that shows that you can win in South Korea 2 terms by doing nothing. Maybe next time we'll keep on playing, see what happens. See if it's 3rd time lucky. But for now, we're going to retire in glory. That's it. South Korea is a country where we can win doing nothing. They are content with their current policies. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more Democracy 4 videos, and we shall see you soon. Bye.